Alright, today we have a Brinks maximum security marine padlock. Here's a little rating up to the corner there. Max security. What I'll be doing is raking it open with the small half diamond. And there it is. A couple interesting things about this lock. First is the keyway. Take a look at it. Get a good close look. But see how it's got the top of it is cornered in instead of going straight up. It's kind of interesting. It makes the pins difficult to get to, and on top of that, it's a really small keyway from the beginning. It has a bunch of spool pins in there. I'm not exactly sure if all of them are spools or if just most of them are spools. There's no way to take this particular lock apart. But there it is, the Brinks maximum security 2-inch marine padlock. Thanks for watching.